A journey into a painful past. It's been 30 years. Deborah doesn't know for sure whether her daughter's gravestone will still be here.
Mama. Mama. Yeah.
What they find tells an incomplete story.
It just shouldn't have happened.
Trelissa Whitbread, born 3rd of February 1988. She lived 2 hours.
I'm really pleased you're here. I mean, my little girl, you really are. And I love you, Mama. Love you too, little one. Thank you.
Deborah had been prescribed high doses of epilepsy drug, sodium valproate, during all of her pregnancies. She believes that's what killed Trelissa and also killed her son, Kavern, when he was born 10 months later.
I asked so many questions, and no, it's not this, it's just the way things are, and it happens again. Oh, it's the way things are. It can't be the way things are when you lose 2 babies. How can it be the way things are?
Branwen was born 7 years later. She and Deborah's other surviving daughter have what is now acknowledged as fetal valproate syndrome, caused by the drug.
I have tight ankles, tight legs, tight hips, and I have a weak lower back. So I do have to wear splints every day and to ensure I can keep walking, and I have to do exercises every day. I have autism, Asperger syndrome. I also have stuff wrong with my brain, which is a pituitary cyst, a pineal lesion, a Curry malformation, and a lower-lying brain. Every 2 years they have to do an MRI to make sure nothing's grown or moved. One of the things that I fight for right now is whether or not I can be a mother, and that's a really, really big decision. It's transgenerational. Any children that I have will be affected, and that really did scare me. I'm really concerned, but I would love to be a mother one day.
It's 5 years since the Cumberledge inquiry rebuked regulators and the industry for damaging patients and called for a scheme of redress for victims of valproate. 5 years on, that scheme still doesn't exist.
It's financially better to pretend they don't even exist. So many children are harmed, so many children that will not have their needs addressed as they grow older.
Cumberledge also wanted redress for 2 other medically harmed groups, including women left debilitated by pelvic mesh implants.
There are women in there who can't walk anymore or need a stick or a mobility scooter. They've lost jobs, marriages, pensions. Some have had to sell their homes, and it feels really unfair that we're still waiting for a reply on redress.
What have you heard from the government on this?
Well, we keep being told that they're working on it at pace. But the phrase within the group is that snail's pace.
It was an emotional moment 5 years ago when campaigners for children damaged by pregnancy test drug Primodos were also finally recognised by the review team. They too have since been ignored.
I suppose our expectations were, wow, this is it now. Good heavens above all these years, and we finally got there, and then nothing. 5 years, and may I say 5 years and 31 deaths. That's how many of our members have died since that report was published.
We asked the Department of Health for a response to all 3 groups, but their statement makes no reference at all to Primodos. And with regards to valproate and mesh, they make no promises on redress, other than being committed to providing a further update. There's no timescale on that, even though the Cumberledge Review is now 5 years old.
I'm here to speak for those who've been exposed to valproate in the womb.
Branwen has become a campaigner, giving evidence to the European Medicines Agency and the Cumberledge Review. This is about her future.
I feel very let down by the government. I feel let down by the people that promised that they would help us, that they would help ensure that we have a better quality of life.
The manufacturers of valproate, Sanofi, say they meet regulatory obligations and provide information about the risks that reflects current knowledge on the drug. Jason Farrell, Sky News.